Imagine this. You wake up, but something's wrong. It's not the gentle dawn light filtering through your window. Nothing. An oppressive, absolute darkness. You check your phone, no signal. The power's out, not just in your house but everywhere. And the cold. A deep, biting chill is already seeping into the walls. This isn't a storm. This is the unthinkable. Our sun, the heart of our solar system, has simply blinked out. What would actually happen? Let's walk through the terrifying timeline, minute by minute, year by year, based on what science tells us. The first thing to understand is that light takes time to travel. The sun is about 93 million miles away. So if it vanished at this very second, we wouldn't know it. For 8.5 minutes, life would seem bizarrely normal. We'd still see its image in the sky. We'd still feel its warmth. And then, it would hit. The last photon of sunlight would reach Earth. And the sky would go black. Not night black, but a profound, star-studded void where our sun used to be. The moon, our faithful reflector, would vanish instantly. Total darkness would engulf the planet. But the loss of light is just the opening act. The real killer is the loss of heat. Within hours, the temperature would begin a precipitous plunge. Without the sun's constant energy input, Earth starts radiating its own heat into the frozen depths of space. After just 1 week, the global average surface temperature would fall below freezing. 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Within a year, it plummets to nearly -100 degrees. And it wouldn't stop there. Eventually, Earth would stabilize at a steady -400 degrees, just a few degrees above the temperature of the cosmic background radiation of space itself. Our planet becomes a frozen, dark rock, adrift. But what about us? Humanity's clock starts ticking immediately. The collapse of the power grid would be instantaneous and global. Solar panels are useless. Wind turbines stop as the atmosphere stabilizes without the sun's heating. Hydroelectric might last a little longer, but the infrastructure to manage it would fail in the chaos. Within days, society fractures. The rule of law evaporates in the desperate scramble for dwindling resources, for generators, for fuel, for food. And the food. That's the next crisis. Photosynthesis stops the moment the sunlight does. All plant growth ceases. The base of our entire food web collapses. Herbivores starve. Then carnivores. Our agricultural system, feeding billions, is a memory within weeks. The only potential food sources are deep underground, in preserved stocks, or in the oceans. But even the oceans are dying. The surface oceans would freeze solid within a few years, creating a thick layer of ice perhaps miles deep. But beneath that ice, near geothermal vents at the ocean floor, some microbial life might persist for millennia, even millions of years, living off Earth's internal heat. These extremophiles would be the last heirs of our biosphere. Could any humans survive? Not on the surface. It's a death sentence. The only conceivable hope lies in a few specialized bunkers, geothermal or nuclear-powered habitats like massive, sealed versions of the International Space Station, buried deep underground or perhaps under the ice. They would need to be perfectly self-sustaining, growing food with artificial light, recycling every drop of water and molecule of air, for generations. They would be the last outpost of a species that once looked up at a warm yellow sun. A desperate, dwindling arc in a universe that has grown impossibly cold and dark. In the end, Earth would continue its orbit, a silent tombstone tracing a path around a nothingness. The sun's gravity, which holds our planet in its embrace, would also vanish if the sun disappeared. But that's a different catastrophe. We'd fly off into interstellar space. But the cold and the dark would claim us long before our orbit mattered. So the next time you feel the sun on your face, remember this: it is not just a light in the sky. It is the engine of our world, the keeper of time, the source of every bite of food and every breath of air. Its steady, silent burn is the most profound gift the universe has given us. And its hypothetical silence is the absolute end of our story.